guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's just address the elephant in the room. This gorgeous wig. It's super long, it's super luscious. I just love it. You guys know how I feel about the 30 inch and y'all know how I feel about this texture. So if you want to see how I installed this wig and it was super quick and easy, super beginner friendly, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and my other channel, like this video and keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today, the face is beat, so we're getting straight into this hair tutorial because I feel like this is going to be a very easy install, and I'm super excited because, you know, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, this is like my go-to hairstyle recently. So yeah, let's just get into it. So because my makeup is on, when you're laying your lace, you don't want to lay your lace over like makeup and stuff. So I'm going to be using my Erica J Hold Me Down Skin Guard. And I'm going to spray it on this cotton round. And I'm literally just going to wipe my hairline area. You really want to focus that right here because we're going to be applying a closure wig today. So you want to make sure right here is extra clean. And I need to put this back on because it's sliding off. So today I'm going to be working with Wiggins hair. I've worked with them in the past. It's actually been a while, but we back and we better, okay? So today's unit is a 30-inch loose deep wave, I believe, and it's a 5x5 closure. You guys know I am obsessed with closures. I don't wear them often, but I really like them. I feel like they're really convenient. They're really easy to put on, and 5x5 lays just as flat as a frontal. It looks just as good. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I did wash this, I plucked it a little bit, and I did bleach the knots, but I could have left the bleach on a little longer, but I've been real nervous about leaving the bleach on, so I took it off. So I let it dry in the dryer, so the curls are not how they should be, but we're gonna get it together, okay? And you guys are gonna see the full look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. The lace for me. This lace is so thin. I love it. So I love actually that my makeup's already done because I just feel like a bad bitch already. I feel like I could just walk out the house like this. Period. So oh my gosh, I don't even have, this is so I'm going to be showing you guys how to lay your closure and how easy it is. So I'm going to go ahead and use my organic spray. I like this one. This is the Smoothing Shea Sleek. I love this one. I don't know why I've been gravitating towards this hairspray so much, but I just love how flexible it is. For one, I ran out of my Sebastian hairspray, and I'm trying not to just like buy stuff all the time, even though I'm still buying stuff, but I'm trying to cut back a little bit. But I'm trying to use what I have because I buy stuff, use it 2 times, and then I never look at it again. So this is actually great because it's so flexible. It doesn't leave like a white flaky cast. It doesn't get hard. This is actually a little bit better than the Sebastian, just saying. Just a little bit. I might have to get my Sebastian again, but for now this one's better. So I'm using my Galaxy Girl hot comb as well. You guys know I've been using this non-stop. It is amazing, and I will be linking all these products below. I'm gonna work on listing all of my products below because for some reason I just assume y'all know what I'm talking about, but you don't. So we're gonna work on that. So I'm just flattening this out before I actually like lay it, I guess. And look how like soft it is. It's not crunchy, it's not hard, it doesn't have any flakes in it. It just looks so good. I get questions all the time about 5x5 closures, and the question is, can I wear them in a side part or whatever? You have 5 inches of parting space, literally from here to here and all the way back. So basically like a frontal, because you know with a frontal you're never really able to part more than this far anyway, so you're able to part like this much with it. But personally I'm gonna do a middle part because I just think the middle part with the 30-inch, baby girl, it's a winner. So I'm just gonna pull out some like fake baby hairs. I'm honestly probably not gonna do too much swooping, but it's just a technique that I use. I like to pull out a little bit of the hairs at the hairline so that it looks a little better. How effective it is, I don't know, but we're gonna find out today. So I took out that much. That does not mean that this is gonna be my baby hairs. I'm not gonna be swooping all of this because y'all know me. So to mount my lace, I'm going to be using this My Own Dynasty Lace Melt-In Spray. I've been using this a lot as well. I really, really like this. I'm kind of upset that the can is so small because I'm like, I'm going to run out of this soon, but I'll definitely be purchasing it again. It works really, really nice. So I'm just going to spray on the lace. And I'm just gonna take my elastic band and wrap that on and keep that on my head for about 10-15 minutes. You guys know that I live for this texture. I live for it like this. But the way that I dried my hair today, I like put it in the dryer so that I could dry fast. And it kind of like got scrunched up. So I'm gonna just wet it just a little bit just to define the curl pattern. Just so that you guys can see what it's looking like. And I'm not drenching it. Again, I'm just adding water because I want to define the texture of this hair so you guys can see what it looks like. And this hair is super duper soft, you guys. So I don't think that I'm going to add any product because I don't want it to dry and look like it has product in it. I want it to just look nice and effortless. So we're just going to mist the hair. All right, so I've misted my hair. You see it's like nice and flat now and it's super long. Like look how long she is. Like what? I love to see it. So while this is still melting, I'm gonna go ahead and create my part. You know, I like to like kill 10 birds with one stone. So while my lace is laying, I like to style the hair, cut the hair, do whatever I need to do. So where's my comb? So like I said, I'm doing a middle part, so I'm gonna go ahead and part it right there. Y'all, this hair is so freaking soft. Like, what the heck? For a while, I stopped using the wax stick, but I really do like the wax stick with this hairspray. So I'm going to just use a little bit of that and do a little in the front. Wax stick really prevents flyaways and just keeps your hair exactly how you want it. So now I'm going to take this elastic band off. So now I'm going to take this elastic band off and cut this lace. I feel like I'm a wreck today. I feel like everything's all over the place and I can't function. And if you want to know baby hair look, you could definitely cut the baby hairs. But I suggest cutting under the baby hairs because I know most of you guys probably do want baby hairs for that frontal look. So I'm going to take my lace paste. I've used this product before. I really do like this product because I feel like it's more like skin tone powders, as you can see. It's not too like this is my face powder, and it's like super warm, and I feel like this is like too warm for my scalp, so I like to use the lace paste because it literally melts the product in. So I panned out so you guys can see the full length of this hair. It is super long. It looks amazing. I absolutely love it. I really only like deep wave, loose wave when it's super long. I like the texture in general, but I love it when it's long because it's super effortless and glam. So if you guys are interested in this hair, make sure you guys check the description box below. Check out Wiggins hair. You don't want to miss this because it's bomb, effortless hair. And it's glam. Like, this is vacay hair for sure. Like, if I was going on vacation, I would have to be wearing a 30-inch water wave, loose wave, deep wave, whatever. I would have to be wearing this kind of hair. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was a little chaotic, but it was only because I have a mess in front of me, so I'm about to get it together. But the hair is laid though. So thanks so much for watching for the 100th time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.